Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Careful.
Very good.
Careful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Hey,
Huh.
you just sold how much money? Change the new one engine?
20,000.
20.
20,000. Small money. Small money.
It was okay. Oh, this one?
Nitty nitty. 1,200.
200.
Yeah. 1,200.
That's already.
Yeah. Heavy.
How, I don't know English.
For 300 amp hours.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's very good.
Yeah. And not too much touchy.
That's very good, very good.
Yeah. Remember it was red? Now it's black. Yeah. Shh, shh.
Can you tire? Can you tire?
Tire no good. Need new tire. You get new dog? Dog? Bark, bark, dog.
No, I small dog.
Yeah.
2000,
No.
Toronto, go to and Toronto.
No.
Not here.
You leave the dog there.
3 months go my here.
Oh my God. Why are you so stupid?
Uh,
Do you even know why you're so stupid?
I need a small, he big one the chicken. Go more, go more. Look good. Wow.
How about I just punch you in the face and take your dog? How about that? You mad? You be mad at me?
Yeah.
Oh, tough. How about that? Dog doesn't like that. Nobody even likes you anymore, Tumuchies, because you're a piece of shit. You know that? Everybody was like, oh, it's like when you're so mean to Tumuchies. Yup. Making me weld galvanized pipe.
Finish, okay?
100 money.
Okay.
Okay.